7 minus 7 times 7 minus 7. At first glance, you might say 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 minus 7 here is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. But that is incorrect. Let's try this again. Now, before we get started with this equation, we have to understand the order of operations, PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us that we first look at parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then adding and subtracting. We do have to remember that multiplication and division and adding and subtracting, they both have equal priority here. So if it's multiplication and division in the problem, we have to start on the left and move to the right. Same thing with addition and subtraction. We must start on the left and move to the right. So let's get started. There's no parentheses. There's no exponents. Multiplication, we have it right here. So this is where we're first going to start. Negative 7 times 7. Bring that down, and that's going to give us 49, and negative 49. We'll bring down that 7. Bring that 7 over here. Next, we're going to subtract, remembering that we have to start on the left. Since there's two subtraction problems, we can't start here. We need to go to this side. And we'll do 7 minus 49, which is going to give us negative 42. We'll bring down the 7 over here. And finally, we have negative 42 minus 7, which is going to give us negative 49. The answer to our equation today, negative 49.